Hi guys, I'm John Fox here with Tutorial Tuesday, your weekly magic fix. Charlene's behind the camera. I'm going to get you to pick any card, Charlene, please. That's it, show the camera and remember the card. Can you place that card, I'll turn away, can you place that card face down on top of the deck? And now can you please cut the cards and complete the cut? And let me know when you've done that. Have you done that?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Right. So, now Charlene, I haven't been anywhere near the deck, which was a lie because I just touched the cards. But in that moment, would you be impressed if I could cause your card to turn face up?
Yes.
Watch this. If I snap and cast a shadow over the cards, it's done. You'll see only one card turns face up, and that's the 8 of diamonds. Is that your card?
No.
It's not. Well, you see, Charlene, sometimes this happens. The 8 is an indicator card, and that would mean it would be 8th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What was the name of your card?
Jack of clubs.
Jack of clubs?
Yes.
The Jack of clubs.
Hey!
So, guys, if you want to learn that, it's super easy to do. Click on the link below or wherever. There will be a link and you can learn that absolutely free. Until next Tuesday, I'm John Fox. Stay safe and bye for now.